Got the ham, fried chicken.
ほら、できた。正しい焼きそばはこれだ。
揚げ玉入りだ。焼きそばは味方。
UFO。ロボコップ変身寝袋だ。ロボコップ電動歯ブラシだ。欲しいぞ。
フライダンシンチで覆われたまさに不死身のロボット警官の誕生だ。その名もロボカー。
Sometime in the not-too-distant future, it's talking an electronic Robocop.
Hands up! Uphold the law. Drop it. You called for backup?
Recharge your action figure collection with talking and electronic Robocop in 3 action-packed sizes. He's unbeatable.
Robocop 2 video coming up now. More violence. More action.
Now create your own Terminator with the Bioflesh Regenerator.
I'm back. Yeah? Think again. Battle damage.
Add flesh compound.
Terminator created.
Terminator.
I'm back.
Robo got upset. I haven't got a damn clue about Randy Moore and his fucking Oreos. Randy Moore's a friend, but half the time I don't know what the hell he's talking about. So he's got all these stories from RoboCop. I don't know.
Steve Lynch goes, can we get the shot? And then RoboCop and Peter said no. So they did cut. We're ready to go. Now we're hot. They had to send a PA up the stairs, feed him an Oreo. Now he's got Oreo in his teeth. So the PA has to pick the Oreos out of his teeth. And then he says, okay, I'm ready. And then we shot it. So after that, Peter would always say Robo wants an Oreo. So I had a gentleman work with me. His official title should have been the Peter Feeder, because that's what the crew called him, was the Peter Feeder, because for some reason the weapons had to feed Peter.
Randy, love you madly. Don't believe one fucking word out of your mouth.
dedicated to education and quality television.
Have you ever watched the movie you wanted to, the minute you wanted to? Learn special things, all tickets and jazz. Know any questions from faraway places? Where does jazz come from? Big place. Or touch your baby from a phone booth. You will. And the company that'll bring it to you, AT&T. Have you ever kept an eye on your home and it's not at home? Or gotten a phone call on your wrist? You will. And the company that'll bring it to you, AT&T. Have you ever opened doors with the sound of your voice? Of course, you carried your medical history in your wallet. Or attended a meeting. Your bare feet. You will. And the company that'll bring it to you, AT&T. Have you ever had a classmate who's thousands of miles away? Conducted business in a language you don't understand. You will. And the company that'll bring it to you, AT&T.
It stinks.